The Zonda HP Barchetta in Sunset Orange is more than just a hypercar, it's a piece of art in motion, and today we're diving into what makes it one of the most breathtaking creations ever to come out of Pagani. As the sun hits that sunset orange body, the carbon fiber textures begin to glow, giving the car a presence that feels alive. It's a combination of raw performance, obsessive craftsmanship, and design philosophy that pushes emotion first and numbers second. From the moment you walk around it, the details stand out. The open-top Barchetta body style gives you an unobstructed connection to the engine and the road. The sculpted fenders, exposed carbon sections, and the unique rear wheel covers create that unmistakable Zonda silhouette while being ultra-aerodynamic. Every curve, vent, and surface has been crafted with a purpose, yet the car never loses its artistic charm. The sunset orange finish adds warmth and contrast to the carbon fiber, making the car look like a glowing ember slicing through the air. Under the rear deck sits the legendary 7.3-liter naturally aspirated V12 sourced from Mercedes-AMG, tuned specifically for the HP Barchetta. It delivers brutal, instant power with a sound that feels almost spiritual. The throttle response is razor-sharp, and paired with the car's lightweight construction, the acceleration feels immediate and explosive. The driving experience is raw and mechanical, designed to make you feel every vibration, every rev, every shift. It's engaging in a way modern hybrid hypercars simply can't replicate. The interior continues Pagani's tradition of blending luxury with mechanics. You sit surrounded by hand-stitched leather, polished aluminum, and exposed carbon fiber. Every switch, knob, and gauge looks handcrafted, like a watchmaker built the cockpit. The open-top design amplifies the symphony of the V12, turning every drive into a sensory experience. What truly sets the Zonda HP Barchetta apart is its exclusivity and philosophy. Only a handful were ever built, making it one of the rarest hypercars on Earth. It's not just about top speed or lap times, it's about emotion, craftsmanship, and the experience of driving something created with passion rather than mass production. The sunset orange color gives it a unique identity, turning an already unicorn-level car into something even more unforgettable. In essence, the Zonda HP Barchetta in sunset orange is a celebration of pure motoring art, a machine built for those who value emotion as much as performance, craftsmanship as much as speed, and rarity as much as raw power.